If you knew you had 24 hours left to live, no extensions, no second chances, no tomorrow, what would you do? You wouldn't waste time scrolling. You wouldn't argue over things that don't matter. You wouldn't care about opinions, status, or pride. You'd call the people you love. You'd tell them, "I love you," and mean it. Not casually, not rushed, but like it's the last time they'll ever hear your voice. You'd forgive, not because they were right, but because time is too short to carry hate into your final hours. You'd sit with your family, look them in the eyes, be present, really present. You'd thank people for the little things you overlooked, for the moments you took for granted. You'd pray, not a routine prayer, but a real one, honest, raw, from the deepest part of your soul. You'd let go of fear. You wouldn't hold back anymore. You'd speak truth. You'd be real. You'd finally become the person you keep putting off. Now let me ask you something. Why are you waiting for a deadline to live like that? You woke up today. That means you were given time, something someone else didn't get. So call them, say it, forgive, show up, pray, live. Apply this to your life right now and watch what happens. Watch how grateful you become. Watch how clear your priorities get. Watch how focused, how driven, how alive you feel. Because when you live like time is limited, you stop wasting it. Live every day like it matters, because one day, it will be your last.